sleep.
Finally. Just gonna load this CD. They're gonna love this. Loading CD-ROM into Windows.
Type device equals C:\DOS.
Wait. Okay. Where do I find that?
Where do you find what? Type edit A:\\.
Edit a colon?
No, edit A:\. A:\.
A colon.
The letter A.
You do not have enough conventional memory free. There are 27 callers ahead of us.
If you're looking for a multimedia computer that actually works,
Maybe we got the wrong installation program.
Maybe we got the wrong computer.
there's really only one way to go.
Did you save the receipt?